What's up, guys? We're here on JPM. We are doing this serial filler that fills the cup break. So, since nobody's really winning or losing here, I'm just going to go live once and do the timestamp. It's 3:13 and 3:13 here in Denver. I'm going to go get the list. We got Mr. Hodgenowski on top and Mr. Hodgenowski on bottom. I'm gonna copy and paste that, add them on top, add them on bottom, and then we got the numbers list here. We're gonna go 3 times on each list. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3. Kyle, only if it was this one, eh? Never seems to fail. All right, and now for the numbers. 1, 2, and 3. So Kyle, you got 2. Danny, you got 5 and 9. Hodge, you got 3, 7, and 0. Rick, you got 4. Jason, you got 8. Yakim, you got all the 101s. And number 6. There you guys have it.